Hello vendors, here's how to respond to RFQs on LeaseryT. Your dashboard shows RFQs received, pending, responded, and expired, plus your client's details, and last but not least, all your best deals live on the platform. Click into an RFQ to start quoting. You'll select from the action buttons on top right whether you chose to view, respond, download, decline, clear a draft, or negotiate with the client. Once you have selected the RFQ to answer, click Edit on top action button and review the customer's vehicle specs and leasing services. Whether it's a dealer upload or system configuration, everything's clearly laid out. Upload your quote. The system checks for errors, like contract details or fuel type mismatches, so your customer only sees valid offers. Then confirm contract details, pricing, mileage, adjustments, expiry date, and upload supporting docs like return policies or recalculation matrices. The summary page pulls everything together. Review, confirm, and click Create Quotation. Your offer is now live. Customers are instantly alerted. If they want to negotiate, they'll contact you using the built-in chat, and all communication stays neatly tracked. Best deals and smart quoting to simplify and maximize your reach.